Lining up, it's going northbound. In pursuit, east on Orchard. Turn your sirens on, sirens on. So you're gonna go south on 60. This house in pursuit of a stolen red Kia. South on 60. Speeds are only like 50 right now, crossing Lapham. Watch due diligence here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Watch. Passing Mitchell. Keep going. Coming up to the red at Burnham here. Speeds are 60, signaling to go east. No, continuing south. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Go, go, go. Coming up to Beloit. Speeds aren't that bad. 60. Traffic medium, no pedestrians. Go, go, go. Coming up to Lincoln here, it's passing on the left. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. It's getting here. Hold on, slow down, slow down, slow down. Coming up to Lincoln, going south from Lincoln through the red. Go, you got the green, go. Speeds are only 60. We're pretty close to it here. West Dallas in pursuit of a red Kia Sportage. Coming up to Cleveland on 60.
Traffic condition.
Traffic is medium. We're right behind it. There's no pedestrians. It's passing in the bike lane here, but nothing crazy. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, keep going, keep going. Southbound from Cleveland, we're gonna have to, is anyone close to us? It hit a car, doesn't look serious here at 60 Cleveland. We're still behind it. Speeds are 60, traffic medium. 10-4, we're still with the car. It's coming up to Oklahoma here at 60. Slow down, slow down, slow down! Going through the Walgreens parking lot here. Go. Striding through the Walgreens parking lot here. Coming up to, I think, going to be 61 northbound from Oklahoma. Go, go, go. The car's smoking pretty good here. Speeds are still only like 50, going northbound on 61, coming back up to Cleveland. Slow down for the stop. Slow down for the stop. Just past Stack. 61 and Stack northbound. Speeds are still only 50 here. It's smoking a little bit. No traffic here. No pedestrians that I see. Slow down for the top. Go, go, go. Just past Montana, coming, yeah, back up to Cleveland here, going west on Cleveland from 61. Go, go, go. Continuing west on Cleveland, probably at 64 now. Speeds are about 60. It's about a block and a half ahead of us. Traffic is light now. No pedestrians chasing a stolen red Kia Sportage. Still continuing westbound from 68 on Cleveland. Speeds are 50. Going south on 69. Get up there. Continuing south on 69. Yield, 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 yield. Coming up to Oklahoma here from 69. Going through a construction zone here on the Kinnickinnick, east on Kinnickinnick. Go, 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 go.
Driving over you on behind it. Going through a construction zone here on the Kinnickinnick, east on Kinnickinnick.
702, I'm behind it. Continue to call it out for me.
Eastbound on Kinnickinnick from 68. Go. You're good.
Lots of flames underneath the vehicle.
It's going